How to sign in to Costco ESS Employee Account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Costco ESS Employee Login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Costco Employee website. Open it. You'll be directed to the official website. Now scrolling down, you'll find this section of Welcome to Costco Employee website. Here you'll find this option of Employee Service. Under that, you'll find the option of Current Employee Login or Former Employee Login. Head towards the option that is suitable for you. After you select the option for which you want to log in, you will be directed to the login page. Now here you have to type in your account's credentials to log into your account. Provide your login details. Type in the username. Then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the password, click on the option of Trouble Signing In and recover it. Once you fail this, click on Sign In. Just with that, you will be logged into your account. Well, this is how you can easily sign in to Costco ESS Employee Account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.